DG, because of time, you've mentioned the challenges on the part of the companies, producing seeds. But are there challenges on the part of the council? I'm asking because there was a case of substandard onion seeds that affected the crop yield just recently. Does it mean that the council, didn't play its role adequately in that particular case?
Yeah, the issue of the onion is the case of smuggling. The council is not responsible for border guarding. There are some other agencies that are responsible for that. But what is very important is that before you import anything into the country as seed, you must pass through the seed council. It is the seed council that will now look at the need, whether we actually even need it or not. Or we have even superior varieties here that are better. So you don't bring in just anything. One, we are very conscious of biosecurity. Biosecurity in the sense that you cannot bring us seed that will bring us all sorts of diseases.
Okay.
Before now, we never had fall armyworms, but smuggling here and there, those are the things that brings some of these things.
All right, so it means we need to beef up security and, if you like, checks in that regard. Now, on a final note, what's your advice to farmers and seeds producers? Your final note, on a final note, your advice to farmers and seed producers, DG?
Yeah, I will advise, one, as a farmer, you must always change your seeds. Don't rely on what you have planted before. It's like me and you. Some few years back, we were younger and we are very active. So now at older age, you are not expected to be as that agile and true. So also has to do with productivity in terms of in the seeds. When you continue to plant, then the genetic potential continue to decline. If we know, we had always been given some example. When we were young, when you are talking of 100 meters runners, there are those people you call. Carl Lewis, Ben Johnson, and all. You can't call them now because they are human and they are biological entities. They are subject to deterioration.
All right.
So therefore, we need to be going back to change our seed, to certify seed. That's why we said the research need to be empowered seriously to ensure that there must be sustainability in production of the breeder and foundation seeds so that it continues to flow.